Okay, buddy, I'm just gonna show you this currency. Do this real record. Hopefully, you have your MT4 open, and let me just walk you through this one. So, this is a good example. I just want to show you, because the way you guys trade it is probably a little bit different than I trade the US broker. This is Nadex. I trade Nadex, and you could trade I options or Q options or whichever broker that you have where you are from. Anyway, the strategy is that you already have, hopefully you already have this moving average here. This is called moving average. The yellow line here, the darker line, is the moving average. Set that at 26. And I guess really all these other indicators that I have in dash line here, I don't really use them. I guess the most important one is that thick yellow line here. So I will just walk you through this line, and you need a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so let's just look at this example right here, this little cluster right here, and that's on 7 o'clock on the time for this will be 7:45, 8 o'clock US time. I don't know what time it is over there, but this is the US time right here. Let's look at this one as an example so you get a better understanding of what it needs to be done. So this is the Fibonacci retracement, this symbol right here. So what you need to do, you need to go up here, click on that, and then when you see a downtrend, I call it downtrend, when the yellow line's on top and your candlesticks is in the bottom here, like this. And as you can see, I'm using the 15-minute charts. So here's what you need to do to understand this. So what you want to do is you click here and you drag your Fibonacci to the bottom of this. Right there, let it go. So the last line will hit the bottom of this candle's, the wick right down here. Okay. So these are your percentage over here. These are the percentage. You get 100%. You get 60. There's 70s between it. 50, 38, 23, and 0 right here. So when you trade on a downtrend, you had to set this up, and you can't just get up every morning and trade or rush yourself to get a trade done. You have to wait till it gets up to this level. So I'm looking at the 50% and the 61.8% here. Okay, when this the market drops below here and it comes back up and it hit these two levels, the 68 and the 50, that's your signal. Sometime it will go up to the 38 and it drops. But I mean, if you want to play with that, that's fine. But I usually stick with the 50 and the 61%. And for other brokers, usually they give you from right here. You see my horizontal white line right there. Your entry will be 0.77378, which is right on the right there. Okay, that's your entry. And then you see how it drops down. Okay, it drops down all the way down here. And then if you put a put or down options, you would have won this trade. And at a 15-minute, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, that's 1 hour. So you could trade the hourly options there, and you would have won that one. Okay, let's just do another one. Let's just look back at this one here. Let's just look back at this one, see what happened here. Okay, let me erase that one right there. So I'm going to erase this one, delete that one. Let's do the same to this one. Okay, from the top to the bottom. But you have to wait till it reverses back. Okay, you got to wait till, don't do this yet. You got to wait till the candle, the market comes back up. That's when you draw your Fibonacci lines. Okay. So you draw your Fibonacci line like this again. Hold on to the mouse, and then to this level, let it go. You see how this came back up? it came back up to this again. See that 50% and a half retracement? And let's look at this again. If you were to trade this, you would have entered at 0.77504, and you trade for put. You see the candles, it drops down. It drops down again. See, you would have won that trade for an hour. So if 4 candles equals 1 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, it drops all the way down there. You would have won that trade too. So I'm just gonna do this quick video for you and play around with that first. Don't take any serious trade yet. Make sure you understand my strategies here before you go on and trade. Okay. And anyway, text me or write me if you have any questions. But this is the strategy, and you have to stick with this in order to profit. If the day goes by and you don't get any signals here like this, do not trade. That's my recommendation, at least. Alright, and this is the thick yellow line here. Like I said before, this is just a moving average. Set this at 26. Okay, and that's pretty much all you need. I have these other indicators in here. They don't mean anything. So try that first, and let me know what you think.